Are you stuck in a gym thinking you need a push and a pull day to balance your body out? Stop. Newsflash, all the muscles in your body pull. So what that means is we have a joint right here, the elbow. It's a relatively simple joint. It's a hinge, so this should be easy to see. Now, I have a straight bone here, my bicep. When I straighten my arm, my bicep gets longer. When I bend my arm, my bicep gets shorter. That means I'm pulling. Now, if we want to look at the other side of the joint, that's my tricep. So if my bicep got short to bend my arm, that means my tricep got long to bend my arm. So now to straighten it, what happens? Is my tricep pushing my elbow straight or is it pulling my elbow straight? Bicep pulls my elbow bent, tricep pulls my elbow straight because it's shortening. Like a bench press that most people think is a pushing exercise because you're pushing a weight, it's only happening because the chest muscle, when your shoulder is back and your elbow is back, your chest muscle has gotten long. Now, when you contract that muscle, which doesn't have a ton of leverage because you have this big, broad muscle attached to the very end of this long bone, and when you contract the chest, it's pulling this bone towards the midline of your body, and when you contract your tricep, it's pulling your elbow straight, and you put those two actions together and you have that bench pressing movement. But if you in your mind think everything is pulling, shortening, contracting, that is what's happening. And if you picture that, you get a better contraction and the muscles work better because now you are understanding the language of the body. The body only can pull, every muscle in the body only pulls. And here's a silly fact. If every muscle in your body pulled at the same time, all at once, you'd be able to move about 20 tons of weight. You'd also probably die. But that is just an example of how much pulling force can be generated by the muscles when all acting together. Now, when you want to be balanced, think about how many muscles are here. Think about what you're looking at. Everyone sees the front of their body, so they want to train the front of their body. So they're constantly doing, oh yeah, I got to do push today. I got to do push today because I got to make myself. Well, the reality is if you want to be truly balanced, you should work the back of your body at least 2 or 3 times as often as you do the front because of the number of muscles. It's simple math. Look at how many muscles are on the back of you versus how many muscles are on the front of you. Train the back of your body more to balance everything out.